If you're new to my channel, thank you for clicking on my video. And if you're returning, thank you as always for the support. Hello fellow travelers, and welcome back to our Veggies adventure. My name is Cynthia, and today we're gonna do part 6, the final installment of the summer salad series. That's right, it's time to make a Chinese chicken salad. I love salad as a main dish. That is my jam. This chicken salad as a main dish is hearty, and it's also cool and refreshing and will get you in and out of the kitchen in 10 minutes. So if you're ready, let's press the like button and get to work. My friend Amanda over at Dit Dot, she made this Chinese chicken salad and I went bananas. I really wanted to try it. The prepared greens, this is Boston lettuce and also some iceberg. I think she used different lettuces, but this is what we had on hand, so I'm going to set this to the side. First up, let's make the marinade for our chicken. For our marinade, we're gonna need our oils, sesame and olive. We're gonna need salt and pepper. Her recipe calls for onion powder, but we're gonna use some of this dehydrated onion because I don't have any onion powder. Let's start with oil. We're gonna use majority of olive oil. She used avocado oil, and if I had that on hand, I definitely would be using it. A touch of sesame oil. Sesame oil is super strong, so you only need just a little bit. The garlic, she took the garlic and bruised it with the back of her knife. I'm just gonna make some cuts in it here. That way we can get the garlic flavor, but we don't burn the garlic while it's on the grill. There's that. She used sugar in her marinade, but I'm actually gonna use some brown sugar, just because I like the flavor of brown sugar. Rice wine vinegar. Healthy amount of that. And I'm gonna add some aminos to this. Really good. We're gonna split the marinade into 2 bowls. So let's really massage that marinade into the chicken. Next up, let's make the dressing. Amanda used a fresh lime for her dressing, but I don't have any lime. I have a little bit of lime juice. We're gonna see if we can make this work. Let's throw in the lime juice that we have, a little bit of sesame oil, some olive oil, rice wine vinegar. I am loving this organic ginger in a squeeze tube. I have gotten so many miles out of this, and we seem to be stuck lately on Asian flavors, so this is perfect. I'm not wasting. Just a little dab will do you because it is super strong. I do a touch of garlic salt, sesame seeds, let's shake it up, give it a taste. Definitely need sugar. That is so sour. Let's throw in some brown sugar. See what we get this time. Really good. Yum. That is super tiny. I just realized I forgot to put the onion in my marinade, so let's do that real quick. work that in there a little bit. This is gonna sit all afternoon, and when we get home from our recovery meeting tonight, we will throw these on the grill really quick and just have ourselves a delicious Chinese chicken salad as a main dish. Next up, let's make the main components of our salad. I'm going to dress this part of the salad now and put it over the prepared greens. So that way the red cabbage has a little time to break down. I'm gonna throw in our carrots. That smells so amazing. Let's throw in these as well. Look at the colors. Isn't that beautiful? So this will wait in the refrigerator, and I'll bring you back when we're ready to eat. I am just coming back from my recovery meeting, and it is time to get this gluten-free Chinese chicken salad as a main dish started. We're gonna put greens in the bowl. Top it with the marinated cabbage. I have a little extra dressing here, and I have my garnishes, which are the green onions and also some slivered almonds. I couldn't find any gluten-free wonton, the fried wonton thingies. They all had gluten in them, and I couldn't find any like crispy rice noodles or anything like that. So I decided to go with the slivered almonds as a crunch option for our salad. Let's go see how Mr. Biggs is doing with the grill.
It's really hard to find a gluten-free option in a Chinese chicken salad in a traditional restaurant because soy sauce does contain gluten. The chicken grilled up in a flash. Amanda over at Dit Dot was so right about adding a little bit of sugar to your marinade for that golden brown color.
We're all done. The salad is garnished with green onion and almond and a little bit extra dressing just to moisten up those greens. Lunch tomorrow, all taken care of. Here is my lunch day 2, and doesn't that look delicious? The cabbage is nice and marinated now, and I did put a little bit of extra dressing just on the greens, but it's absolutely delicious. I love the dressing, super tangy, love the lime. I like everything about this salad. I'll definitely be making this again. I hope you enjoyed this chicken salad as a main dish video and the wrap up of our summer salad series for 2021. Get in and out of the kitchen quickly, people. Don't spend all summer in the kitchen. Remember, everybody, life is an adventure, so enjoy your journey. Bye-bye.